Hi friends, welcome to TN Technical Exams channel. நம்ம சேனலில் இங்கிலீஷ் ஷார்ட் அண்ட் ஃப்ரேசஸ் ஆல்ஃபபெட்டிக் சீரீஸில் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். இது ஓ சீரீஸ்க்கான ஃப்ரேசஸ். வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி சேனலை இன்னும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலனா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு ஆப்ஜெக்டிவ். Obvious things. Of the fact that the of your cooperation, office staff, object bill, on or before, on behalf of, on certain things, on my part, on our part, on the basis of, on the budget, on the occasion, on the one hand, on the one side, on the other side, on the other hand, on the part of the, on this occasion, on this side of the house, on this side of the house, on our part, on your part, once in a week, once more, one of our, one of the reasons, one thing, one way, only in the respect of, our own, otherwise. Next, on the floor of the house, open market, opposite view, opposition party, optimal utilization, other aspects, other part of the world, other than, other things, our suggestions, out of date, out of place, out of question, question, out of station, out of station, out of stock, out of the way, out of the way, outstanding, outstanding, over a long period of years, over a long period of years, over a long period of time, over a long period of time, over a period of, over a period of, overall position, overall position, overcome the difficulties, overcome the difficulties, obligation, obligation, observation, observations, obviously, obviously, occasionally, occupied, occupied, offering, office bearers, office bearers, owners, over time. Next, oneself, oneself, outbreak, outbreak, overhauled, 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 onwards, onwards, overlooked, overlooked, overall, overall, overseas bank, overseas bank, of this report, of this report, of this kind, of this kind, organizational, organizational, outcome, outcome, on this occasion, on this occasion, of our party, of our party, if you require, if you require, on your association, on your association, organization, organization, over and above, over and above, on this account, on this account, on part of, on part of, one another, one another, absolutely necessary, absolutely necessary, absolutely necessary, one after another, one after another, original, original, on their own, on their own, oversight, oversight. தேங்க் யூ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது ஃபீட்பேக் இருந்தால் அது கமெண்ட்ஸில் போஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்கள்.